Have you ever considered that your favorite drinks could be more than just a way to quench your thirst? Your beloved green tea is not just a relaxing beverage, it's a strong defender for your nerves, battling unknown foes. And that turmeric latte you adore? It's not just about comfort, it cools down nerve pains too. And those colorful blueberry smoothies? They're not just delicious, they're guardians for your nerves. Let's embark on a journey through these drinks and discover how they're not just about taste, they're hidden health secrets for your nerves. Number 1. Green tea. Green tea, revered for centuries, is more than just a soothing beverage. It's a treasure trove of compounds that weave a protective shield around our nervous system. At the heart of its potency lies EGCG, short for epigallocatechin gallate, a superstar antioxidant renowned for its ability to combat oxidative stress. Within our bodies, free radicals roam freely, causing potential harm to our nerves. EGCG, acting as a vigilant guardian, intercepts these free radicals, preventing their destructive impact and bolstering our nervous system's resilience. But that's not the only secret tucked within the leaves of green tea. Enter L-theanine, an unsung hero with calming abilities that transcend its role as a mere flavor enhancer. L-theanine orchestrates a harmonious symphony within our nervous system, offering a gentle melody of relaxation without the side effects of drowsiness. Imagine it as a comforting embrace amidst life's chaos, providing a tranquil sanctuary for our nerves to rest and rejuvenate. Research indicates that EGCG possesses multifaceted qualities beyond its antioxidant prowess. It's been observed to have neuroprotective properties, aiding in shielding nerve cells from damage and supporting their resilience against various stressors. This superhero compound not only shields our nerves, but also plays a vital role in their repair and regeneration. Number 2. Turmeric latte. Turmeric latte, often referred to as golden milk, presents itself as a radiant elixir with profound benefits for our nerve health. At the heart of its brilliance lies curcumin, the golden compound nestled within turmeric, celebrated for its exceptional anti-inflammatory properties. Curcumin isn't merely a flavor enhancer, it's a therapeutic marvel that extends its healing touch to our nerves. It emerges as a formidable ally in alleviating nerve pain, acting as a gentle balm to soothe discomfort and diminish sensations of discomfort commonly associated with nerve issues. But its prowess doesn't stop there. Curcumin, with its profound anti-inflammatory attributes, initiates a restorative dance within our nervous system, aiding in the regeneration of nerve cells. Studies have highlighted curcumin's ability to modulate various cellular pathways involved in nerve cell regeneration, suggesting its potential in supporting the growth and repair of damaged nerves. Furthermore, its antioxidant properties lend a protective shield to our nerves, defending them against oxidative stress and contributing to their resilience. The golden milk, with its warm hue and comforting aroma, offers more than just a delightful sensory experience. It becomes a cup of comfort and restoration, a sip that not only tantalizes the taste buds, but also infuses our nerves with a sense of rejuvenation. Number 3. Blueberry smoothie. Blueberry smoothies, the vibrant concoctions that tantalize our taste buds, hold a special place as nerve-nourishing powerhouses. At the heart of their nutritional marvel lies the humble blueberry, a fruit teeming with antioxidants, particularly anthocyanins, that take center stage in supporting our nerve health. Anthocyanins, the compounds responsible for the deep blue hue of blueberries, aren't just about color, they're potent antioxidants that play a pivotal role in shielding our nerves from potential damage. These antioxidants act as guardians, standing tall against oxidative stress, a common adversary of our nervous system. They form an invisible shield, fortifying our nerves and contributing to their resilience amidst the challenges they encounter. Research highlights the exceptional prowess of anthocyanins in bolstering nerve health. They're believed to penetrate the blood-brain barrier, offering direct support to nerve cells and aiding in their defense against inflammation and oxidative damage. This protective shield doesn't just shield our nerves, it's an active ally in their defense and repair, contributing to their overall well-being. But the magic of blueberries extends beyond their protective qualities. Their burst of delightful flavor adds an enticing dimension to these nerve-nourishing smoothies. Each sip becomes a celebration of taste and health, an amalgamation of antioxidants working tirelessly to protect and support our precious nervous system. Crafting a blueberry smoothie isn't merely about blending fruits, it's an artful blend of health and indulgence. Combining blueberries with other nutrient-rich ingredients, such as spinach for added folate, creates a concoction that not only delights the palate but also offers a symphony of nutrients essential for nerve health. Number 4. Beetroot juice. Behold the vibrant elixir beetroot juice. Beyond its visually stunning crimson hue lies a drink brimming with nitrates, offering a significant boon to our nerve health. These nitrates pave the way for improved blood flow, creating a symphony of enhanced circulation that reaches our nerves. This increased blood flow ensures a rich supply of oxygen and essential nutrients, crucial elements vital for the repair and rejuvenation of our precious nerves. Studies underline the significance of nitrate-rich foods in bolstering vascular health and promoting blood flow, which in turn benefits our nerves. Beetroot juice, with its nitrate-packed goodness, emerges as a potent ally in this quest for nerve rejuvenation. It acts as a conduit, channeling vital elements to our nerves, nurturing their resilience and supporting their optimal function. Crafting a glass of beetroot juice isn't just about savoring its earthy sweetness, it's about embracing a nutrient-rich elixir that serves as a vital source of nourishment for our nervous system. Each sip becomes a tribute to the enhanced circulation that nourishes our nerves from within, offering them the sustenance they crave for repair and vitality. Number 5. Matcha latte. A powdered green tea variety that transcends the ordinary with its extraordinary benefits for nerve health. Nestled within matcha lies an abundance of L-theanine, a standout component that elevates nerve care to another level. L-theanine isn't merely an addition to flavor, it's a game-changer in promoting relaxation and reducing nerve stress. This amino acid serves as a beacon of calmness amidst the bustling activity of our nervous system. It not only soothes nerve activity but also plays a pivotal role in supporting the production of serotonin and dopamine, the renowned feel-good neurotransmitters. Research suggests that L-theanine's influence on neurotransmitter production isn't just a fleeting moment of tranquility, it contributes to a sustained sense of well-being. By enhancing the levels of these neurotransmitters, L-theanine creates a harmonious environment within our nervous system, promoting a state of balance and calmness. Number 6. Walnut milk. Walnut milk emerges as a velvety delight enriched with omega-3 fatty acids, predominantly in the form of alpha-linolenic acid, ALA. These healthy fats aren't just a creamy addition, they play a pivotal role in nurturing our nerves. Omega-3 fatty acids, particularly ALA, act as essential building blocks for nerve cell membranes, ensuring their structural integrity. These fats contribute significantly to the smooth transmission of nerve signals, facilitating efficient communication within our intricate nervous system. The inclusion of omega-3 fatty acids, such as ALA, in walnut milk goes beyond mere taste. These nutrients actively support the health and function of our nervous system. By fortifying nerve cell membranes, these healthy fats contribute to maintaining the integrity and functionality of these vital cells. The significance of omega-3 fatty acids extends to enhancing the transmission of nerve signals, a crucial aspect of efficient nervous system functioning. The presence of ALA in walnut milk aids in the smooth transmission of signals between nerve cells, fostering seamless communication that underpins various bodily functions and responses. Furthermore, these omega-3s boast anti-inflammatory properties that play a pivotal role in reducing inflammation within the nervous system. By creating a conducive environment with lower levels of inflammation, walnut milk's omega-3 content supports optimal nerve function. This anti-inflammatory action contributes to maintaining the overall health and resilience of the nervous system. Incorporating walnut milk into your dietary regimen presents an opportunity to supplement your intake of omega-3 fatty acids, particularly ALA, which actively supports nerve health. However, it's important to note that while walnut milk offers these nutritional benefits, it's essential to maintain a well-rounded diet that encompasses various nutrients for overall health and well-being. The inclusion of walnut milk, enriched with omega-3 fatty acids, stands as a flavorful and health-conscious choice. By providing these essential nutrients that nourish our nerves and support optimal nervous system function, walnut milk presents itself as a valuable addition to a balanced dietary approach, contributing to overall wellness. Number 7. Chamomile and lemon balm. Ever savored the tranquility in a cup of chamomile or lemon balm tea? These herbal infusions emerge as comforting companions for our nerves, offering a blend of relaxation and relief. Chamomile, enriched with apigenin, becomes a soothing ally, aiding in the reduction of inflammation and promoting a serene state of relaxation. Its anti-inflammatory properties create a calming effect, fostering an environment conducive to nerve health. Meanwhile, lemon balm unveils compounds that gently soothe nerve activity, easing discomfort and fostering a sense of tranquility within our nervous system. Properties become a respite for our nerves amidst the tumult of daily life. Sipping on chamomile or lemon balm tea isn't just about the warmth, it's about embracing the therapeutic embrace these herbal infusions offer our nerves. Each cup becomes a gesture of care, a moment dedicated to nurturing our nerves and offering them a tranquil sanctuary. Number 8. Avocado smoothie, nutrient powerhouse. Avocados become a cornerstone for nerve nourishment. Vitamin E, present abundantly in avocados, acts as a formidable antioxidant, shielding our nerves from damage caused by oxidative stress. Simultaneously, potassium, another essential component, aids in nerve signaling, ensuring efficient communication within our nervous system. Crafting an avocado smoothie isn't merely a culinary delight, it's an intentional blend of nutrients that offer invaluable support to our nervous system. Each sip becomes a tribute to the nutrient powerhouse that fortifies our nerves, offering them the care and nourishment they deserve. In essence, walnut milk, herbal infusions, chamomile and lemon balm, and avocado smoothies transcend their roles as mere beverages. They become nourishing elixirs for our nervous system. Walnut milk nurtures with omega-3 goodness, herbal infusions offer tranquility, and avocado smoothies serve as nutrient powerhouses. So, as you relish these delightful options, let them be a testament to the care and sustenance they provide for our precious nervous system. Number 9. Pomegranate juice, ruby antioxidant boost. Enter pomegranate juice, a ruby-colored elixir enriched with antioxidants that serve as vigilant guardians for our nerves. Within this tangy marvel reside punicalagins and anthocyanins, powerful antioxidants that stand as stalwart protectors against oxidative damage. These compounds create a robust shield around our nerves, fortifying their resilience amidst the onslaught of free radicals. Punicalagins and anthocyanins emerge as the unsung heroes within pomegranate juice, offering a defensive stream of antioxidants, offering ongoing support to our nervous system's health. The antioxidant-rich nature of pomegranate juice extends its benefits beyond just safeguarding nerves. It contributes to overall health by combating oxidative stress throughout the body. The potential protective effects of these antioxidants on nerve cells highlight pomegranate juice as a valuable addition to a wellness-focused dietary regimen. Incorporating pomegranate juice into your routine not only adds a burst of flavor but also delivers a concentrated dose of antioxidants, punicalagins, and anthocyanins that serve as loyal defenders of nerve health. With each sip, you indulge in a refreshing and proactive approach to supporting the resilience and well-being of your precious nervous system. Number 10. Dark chocolate hot cocoa. Prepare to indulge in the delightful fusion of indulgence and neuroprotection with dark chocolate hot cocoa. Dark chocolate, celebrated for its sumptuous flavor, unveils an unexpected facet. It's a powerhouse of flavonoids, particularly flavanols, revered for their neuroprotective properties. Within each luxurious sip of this guilty pleasure lies a generous dose of flavonols, orchestrating a shield against potential nerve damage. Dark chocolate transcends being merely a treat for the taste buds. It emerges as a potent ally for the well-being of our nervous system. The presence of flavonols, prominent within dark chocolate, takes center stage as guardians of nerve health. These compounds exhibit robust antioxidant properties, effectively combating oxidative stress, an assailant known for its potential to damage nerve cells. By forming a protective shield, flavonols within dark chocolate act as staunch defenders, fortifying the resilience of our nerves. Dark chocolate hot cocoa, apart from offering a luxurious and decadent experience, serves as a conduit for delivering these flavonols, thereby contributing to the safeguarding of our nervous system. Each velvety sip becomes a sip of proactive defense for our nerve cells. The neuroprotective potential of flavonols found in dark chocolate extends beyond mere indulgence. It presents a compelling reason to incorporate this delectable treat into our dietary routines. The antioxidant-rich nature of dark chocolate, particularly its flavanol content, positions it as an enticing addition to a wellness-focused lifestyle. Embracing dark chocolate hot cocoa isn't just a momentary indulgence, it's a thoughtful act of nurturing our nervous system. With each sip of this luscious concoction, you indulge in a flavorful and proactive approach to supporting the resilience and well-being of your precious nerves. Number 11. The Green Smoothie with Kale, Verdant Nerve Nourishment. Green Smoothie with Kale, a powerhouse dedicated to nurturing our nerves. Kale, a leafy green, emerges as a treasure trove of essential vitamins, notably vitamin K and folate, essential for the maintenance and repair of nerve cells. With each blended gulp of this green elixir, we embrace a surge of nerve-nourishing nutrients. The vitamins within kale become building blocks, fortifying our nerves and ensuring their structural integrity. Number 12. Black Tea with Citrus, Citrus-Infused Protection. Elevate your tea experience with black tea infused with citrus, a marriage of robustness and zest that benefits our nerves. Black tea, enriched with antioxidants known as theaflavins, becomes a shield against nerve damage while actively supporting their function. The infusion of citrus fruits adds a zesty twist to the robustness of black tea, creating a delightful concoction that becomes a refuge for our nerves. Each sip becomes a blend of protection and vitality, embracing the antioxidants that fortify and sustain our precious nervous system. As we conclude this enlightening journey through these remarkable beverages, remember that every sip you take isn't just a moment of pleasure, it's a gesture of care for your precious nervous system. From the calming embrace of green tea to the revitalizing touch of beetroot juice, these drinks offer more than meets the eye. They are allies in nurturing your nerve health. So, the next time you savor your favorite drink, pause and appreciate the hidden goodness it holds. Let these beverages not only tantalize your taste buds, but also serve as a reminder of the incredible ways they support and fortify your nerves. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of drinks that do more than refresh, they renew and protect. Here's to raising a glass to your nerve health and well-being.